Hi, welcome to Akinori Kobo. In this video, I will be preparing an Ikura Don to eat at home. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and click the notification bell for more future videos related to food, cooking, and baking. There are 3 ingredients for what I'm having today, and they are Shoyu Ikura, soy sauce flavored salmon roe, shredded seaweed, and rice. The main ingredient is ikura. Ikura is salmon roe or salmon egg in English. I picked up this packaged shoyu ikura from Nijiya Japanese market. It's already brined with soy sauce, salt, and sake and ready to be served. Sujiko, which is the uncured version, may be found in fish market that takes a few more steps to prepare. The second ingredient I will be using is shredded seaweed that I have at home, which is also picked up from Nijiya market a while back. The third ingredient is rice. I have a separate video of how we make our rice at home. Please follow the card on the top right hand side to watch that video, and I have also included the link to the video in the description below. So to make this tasty bowl, you just simply spread the shredded seaweed over the rice. I have a small bowl, so I just spread them on top. If you have a bigger bowl, you can spread around the edge of your rice. And after that, you just take your packaged ikura and drop these little eggs on the top and middle of the rice. It's that simple. Now, you can enjoy this flavorful Ikura Don. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.